Bold, eccentric, rebellious. These are just a few words that I'd use to describe these individuals who are bringing about chaos on social media. So you've seen them on TikTok. There's been a lot of conversation. All this just for tech taxi. But is it just an import of international fashion, or is this an evolving of Jamaican fashion? So we're gonna be hearing from a few of these trailblazers. I'm your girl Alia Hall. Stick around.
Hi, I'm D&D Frozy, and I'm part of the new movement of Jamaican fashion.
So tell me about your style. How would you describe it?
I don't really have a particular style per se. I just see pieces that I like and say, okay, how would I style this? Or what would look good with this?
Okay, are there any fashion trends or influencers that you look to?
Currently, Desires, he's one of them. He's not Jamaican, however, I do like his style, and I do want to start dressing more like him, but also in my own way. Plato.4dk is another one. I do like his style as well. He is Jamaican, and I do look up to him in a sense.
All right, so you've been making a lot of waves on social media platforms like TikTok. What sort of feedback have you received since you started putting yourself out there?
I've gotten a lot of hate online, but in person, a lot of people come up to me and say, hey, I love what you're doing, keep going. And that really just motivates me to continue, because most of the hate's online, and really it doesn't really matter. I'm still gonna do what I do. It's what I love.
Do you remember a specific comment, be it positive or negative, that stood out for you?
Well, the only one that really stands out to me is one that had encouraged me to just keep going. They said that they really like my fits and they don't understand how Jamaicans don't really accept this sort of things, which I understand why. We're raised to conform and be proud of being Jamaican and, always have this strong Jamaican appearance. But Jamaica is a country, I think a lot of us forget our own motto, out of many one people.
All right, so when it comes on to selecting the outfit of the day, how do you go about choosing what? I know that you said that your style is not something that you define as one thing, but how do you go about selecting your outfits?
Well, that's actually quite interesting, because what I normally do is just go into my closet and just take out a lot of clothes and then just sort through everything and just create multiple outfits until I find something that I like.
All right, so when it come on to things like selecting a scarf, like how you think more that when I see man in Jamaica just walk around with one scarf around them neck?
Well, I just wanted to wear the scarf because it just added a little something to the outfit, because without it, it just kind of looked a little bit bland to me. So I said, all right, let me just throw on the scarf.
And there's no apprehension, no fear that people will perceive it as not very masculine?
I'm not dressing for anybody else except myself, so I just dress however I want. I don't really focus on outside validation from anybody. If people don't like my fits, that's okay. If people like it, that's okay too. I just dress how I want to dress, express myself how I want to express myself. My outfits are an extension of me, myself, so.
Okay. Have you noticed any shifts in your engagement over time? What's that been like since you started?
Well, initially I got a huge wave of engagement, and over time that slowly trickled down into my core audience, and I think that what I'm gonna do is just build off that and keep growing.
So would you say this new fashion wave, is it simply a trend or is it something that's here to stay? Can we expect to see it in the next best thing as soon as it come out?
I think it's here to stay, because more and more fashion creators are popping up. A lot of people are being inspired by people like myself, people like Kashkari, people like Lando Jet. All those other people are influencing other young Jamaicans who want to dress how they want to dress and give them the confidence to dress how they.
So would you say that you're a part of a larger sort of movement on the fashion scene?
Of course.
Yeah. And what's your end goal?
My personal end goal is I want to become a fashion designer and create a clothing brand. I've already been designing a few pieces. I won't show you guys that yet. However, that's something you can expect from me in the near future.
And so far, have there been any benefits out of you kind of being your authentic self, expressing yourself through fashion? Any brand deals, anything of that sort?
Well, yes, I've gotten reached out to by a couple of brands and a couple of people who want either a deal, brand deals, or shout outs from me, and it's been quite beneficial, and I hope to keep going at that as well.
All right, so anything else that you want to add? Anything that a message you want to send?
To all the other young Jamaicans out there that see me and people like me dressing how they want, you can dress however you want to. Because to me, I mainly started dressing like this because I didn't have a lot of confidence growing up. I was extremely short, bullied a lot, and once I started dressing how I wanted to dress, expressing myself how I wanted to express myself, I gained that confidence to just be who I want to be, unapologetically. So I'm telling you that you can do it too. Just be who you want to be. Don't focus on external validation, what people are gonna think. Oh, somebody's gonna say this, they might not like this. Just be whoever you want to be, you know? I am D&D Frozy and I'm part of the new wave of
Oh, shout out your socials.
You can find me on TikTok as Frozy, FR0ZY, and Instagram as dnd.frozy.
Hi, my name is Taneilla Francis, and I'm a part of the new wave Jamaican fashion.
All right, so for someone who don't know you, tell us a little bit about yourself.
So for someone who doesn't know me, I'm fun. I like to have fun. I love to dance. I'm a party girl through and through, to be so honest. Yeah, I love the arts. I love music, listening to music. Yeah, that's me.
All right, so you're an all-around creative, but in the fashion aspect, what inspired you to get into fashion?
Honestly, shows, the houses, Mugler, JPG, that's Jean Paul Gaultier, Versace, a lot of them, watching their shows. And also, honestly, my mother. My mother is a big inspiration because she brought me up to always look nice when you go outside. 10 out of 10 when you go outside, every time. Even though me and my mother's style were completely different because she wouldn't dress the way that I dress, but yeah.
Are there any fashion trends or influencers in particular that you look to? I know you mentioned the houses.
Yeah.
But particular people?
Particular people? I would have to say Quenlin Blackwell. She's so beautiful. As a style, I think she's an up-and-coming style icon, I also think about people like Zendaya. We love Zendaya. I've been this height and I'm watching Shake It Up. I'm just like, this girl is amazing and I aspire. So yeah, girls like that, Zendaya, Rihanna, all the girls, Taylor Russell, all the girls.
You make your posts. What have people been saying? What are the streets saying?
I think the street, from the posts that I've made, people are just kind of shocked really that, oh, this I keep up Portmore, or oh, this I keep up Offer Tree, oh, this. I'm just like, in my mind, I'm just dressing up, but it's so shocking to people that people are dressing up like this. Like, we can go outside like this. And for me, it's just day to day, every day. That's the vibe.
You just stay cute.
Yes.
So would you say that there's a certain expectation of what is fashionable in Jamaica?
Probably, yeah, for sure. But that expectation truly has nothing to do with me because I'm trying to navigate my own style and personality. But yeah, I'm sure people are going to say what they're going to say. But that doesn't really concern me, to be honest.
So at what point in time did you decide that, okay, this is the standard here in Jamaica, this is what's culturally accepted, but I'm going to push those boundaries despite what people have to say?
I mean, honestly, it was just really easy to keep doing what I'm doing because I've been brought up to be myself through and through all the time, 24/7, show up as yourself, don't show up as anything else. And because I love art so much, and because I draw and I paint, I get influences from life, colors, music, through everything. So really and truly, it's really easy to block out anything that's happening around me.
So, what are your thoughts when it comes on to fast fashion from places like the Shein, the Fashion Novas? Are you a Shein girly, or do you stay away from that? Do you try to interpret in your own way?
So for me, it's really about finding pieces that I really, really like, because I have relationships with my clothes, and it's dangerous because I can't let things go. I can't let pieces go. Like this, I got this from my aunt. I got this from my grandma. I got this top. I purchased this top, but this top I got it in Goodwill. So it's holding pieces to myself that I really think stand out for me. And I'm completely okay with Shein, because I have Shein pieces. Of course, because if money is tight, you have to do. But like, yeah, I'm completely fine with Shein. I'm not okay with, overconsumption, of course, but you do what you have to do. Find yourself through the pieces that you like.
So if you pull up to a party, maybe see you and somebody, 5 other people in the same outfit?
More than likely not.
So you didn't have that phase, me have to wash my face with cake soap and gel down my edges for go off a tree?
No, no, I didn't. Actually, I was probably pretty embarrassing in high school, and because I wasn't the type of girl to wash my face before I go to half a tree. I just go to half a tree as is. And the shoes that I remember specifically being in high school, when I'd wear these big, chunky, ugly shoes to school, but they're Clarks, and my aunt sent them down from the UK, and people would always be like, "Those are so ugly, girl." And in my mind, I'm just like, these are the shoes that I have to wear, so.
That's so hilarious, because I had the same Clark shoes.
Right?
Right.
Right?
I come from England. So what's your process like for choosing the outfit of the day?
I try to get stimuli from things that are happening around me. A lot of the times too, it's based on how I feel. If I'm listening to a song over and over again, I'm like, oh, this song, and it gets me in the mood. And if I get into a specific mood, then I'm trying to create an outfit, craft an outfit to how I'm feeling from that song, from something I've seen, from how I'm feeling.
Would you say that you're a part of a larger movement in the Jamaican fashion scene?
I'd say that, even my small drop in the bucket makes a difference. Yeah, I'd say that for sure.
And what do you hope that your platform will achieve, or what's your end goal?
Ooh, honey, I want to be in Vogue. No, but yeah, I'd love to do magazine spreads. I'd love to create more worlds, creating worlds through music, through fashion shows. I'd want to be at that point, at that level, to create work for myself. Like, create work that other people can be a part of. Yeah.
So you're talking about fashion designing?
Fashion,
is that what you're leaning into?
Films, everything. I'm a creative through and through.
Earlier you were telling me about how shy you are on camera. But when I was scrolling through your TikTok and you were dressing up as Barbie,
oh my God!
it's like all the confidence was oozing out of you. So is it that, I don't know, the clothes just evoke something that just bolsters your confidence? What is it? What's the link?
It's really the training from dance. Because I've been training for so long. I've been dancing since I was 6, with Wilma's dance troupe, and then Edna, because I have a degree in performance and choreography. And that training really helps me to lock in, turn off brain, let's go, cameras on, let's go. But dancers don't really speak to camera. So speaking now, that's completely different. So the interview is, woo, it's a first for me, but turn on, your brain just turn on. When music starts, it's time to go. Performance ready, let's go. But yeah.
So
They don't understand.
they do.
It's drip through and through. Drip through and through.
Because I see more people who know to express themselves. I'm love how you style, just different. What is social?
So you can find me on Instagram at GHANEIL_Ganeil. It's pronounced Ganeil. And on TikTok, it's Laneilla Nola. LANEILLANOLA.
You know, see a Plato, I represent for the new wave of Jamaican fashion. You see me?
So for someone who might not know who Plato is, tell me a little bit about who you are.
Plato, you know, love fashion. You see, who know me, know say I do content creation, like YouTube and them thing there. You see me? And yeah, just love motivate people otherwise from that too. You see me? Want to be an inspiration.
All right. So how would you describe your personal style?
Personal style? Bro, me just be myself. You know, just be myself, like, wear whatever I like. You see, that's my personal style. Like, anything where you feel like, say, yo, rock for you, just put that shit on. You see?
All right. So what was the inspiration behind getting into fashion?
Alright, so inspiration behind getting into fashion was Quan. Who know? You see, me all like fashion niggas would have know that Quan, YouTuber, him really make me like fashion. You know, from me younger, me just love fashion overall. You see, me want to own my own fashion store when I get older. And you know, own brand and thing, 4DK.
All right, so that's at the long term, your own fashion store.
Yeah.
All right, so there's been a lot of fuss on TikTok over the new wave of fashion content creators. What sort of feedback have you received?
Don't care. Like, me personally, me don't care. We receive feedback, yes, but you have people who support, you see me? And why me I go focus on the negative? Cause it don't make no sense, you see me? I just mainly focus on the positive. You have people who like it and people who don't like it. It doesn't matter. You see me, bro? The other day, I get this right here, so in my face. You know, you'd have some people who Plato. Gay, this and that. Bro, say what you want to say. You see me? It doesn't matter to me. You see me? Just I be myself.
But how you get to this point? Because we know Jamaicans stay, you know?
Yeah.
When you push the boundaries, you're outside the norm. How did you get to this point that you're like, me no care, me really no business what they want to say?
You see, in a life, when I learn, regardless of what you do, people are going to have things to say. You see me? I just you have to black out outside nice, black out each and special. Like, I don't focus on that. You see me? Where people say, no enter up here, so none tall. You see me? I just do my thing. You see? So I bring me right here, so. You see me? And yeah, people, so as I say, people support me. A lot of people support me. Lollipop, look who ever hit me up and say, yo, Plato, you motivate me, I'm inspiration. So why would I worry about the people them way? You know? If you don't like me, just scroll. Simple as that.
All right, so do you think that the Jamaican fashion space is kind of limiting, like you feel put in a box? How you feel about that?
To some extent, it kind of because you know, Jamaican people love judge. It's like it just like it in them nature. They just love judge, but none of that no matter. None of it no matter. You see me? Just express yourself anywhere you want to put on. If you feel like you want to wear tight pants, wear a big pants. It no matter polo, anything. You see it? It doesn't matter.
Yeah, but some people believe, say, we have to stay within gender norms, you know? Man no for wear earring, you know, you have to just wear your little skinny jeans, your Clarks, and your t-shirt and call it a day.
That a back then. You see me? Some people are going to feel a way about that, but that a back then. You see me? The world are upgrade and we have to upgrade as people too. You see it? And like I say, I look at debate about the little bag thing, like when the man them hold the bag, like, you know? So, bro, I just style. I just style, bro. You have go yard bag, some have strap, some have strap. It doesn't matter. You see me, bro? Some of them say, yo, low it for the woman, them. Who cares? You see me, bro? Wear where you want to wear. Are you mainly at the gay? Why you watching me and wear? You see me? Like, come on now.
So have you noticed any shifts in your engagement over time? Whether it be more supporters, less supporters? How has that been?
Less. Like, No, actually more and less at the same time. Because, you know, as I say, I get this, the piercing, and like I get a lot of backlash. Like people are say, yo, what is that not ready? Yeah, bring off an image where you want a Jamaican stop qualifying people. But at the same time, you have mainly people who are support. So as I say, from the start, why focus on the negative? You see me? Yeah. So what them say no matter to me. People are going to always talk. And a whole heap of people must say, oh, when I just start off, did I judge me. And now, me see them a dress like me, so, yo, it not fears me, that. Like, first they hate you, then they love you again. You see me? So, yeah.
So are there any fashion trends in particular that you look to?
When me look to, to be honest now, you see me, like, me see all a fashion trend, like, how would I say this now? Cause like, you know, you have on TikTok, you have people like Landogit, for who know, you have DND, all of them people there, and like, everybody have different style. You see me, bro? Me personally, me love all of the style. You see me, express yourself, be you. You see me, be creative, bro. If you want to rip up something and wear it. You see me, bro? Like, Jamaican people who born as sheeps. You see me, bro? Like, say, how would I say this now? I don't want to drive it out too much, but like, say me is like, I have a farm or something like that. And you know, I'm have some sheeps. If you put a stick right which part them for enter the pen and them for jump over each time, when you remove that stick after months, them still go jump over. So that I like Jamaican people mindset. Them a sheep. You see me? So them just go with the flow. But no, you have to think outside of the box. Be creative, bro. Like, do anything. We are humans. We were meant to create. You see me? Just like God. Greater is in him that is in us. So, yeah.
All right, so you say you love all fashion. So tomorrow we could have seen one suit and tie and
so of
some
course,
kill me.
Of course, Nike Tech, anything. I'm still would look good.
Flexible,
Yeah,
but like it.
Still would look good.
So what's your end goal here with this whole fashion thing, content creation? What do you hope to achieve?
What my end goal? Alright, like me just want to change the fashion scene overall. You see me, like, as me say, make people start express themselves more. You have people where I say, yo, that's enough for Jamaica, but you know, I'm want to own my own clothing brand, you know, 4DK for who know. You see me, and yeah, just bring this thing to another level. Make whole heap of modelers start come out of Jamaica, not just woman. You know, you have Miss Universe and them thing there. You have Rick Owens and them thing there, and like we can we can start model for like big brands and them things. I don't really see that at Jamaica, but in due time. All
right, I love it. So what's your take on Kaisenat in the fashion industry?
Personally, like, yo, try new things. You see me, bro, because like, I see, like, he must switch over and be a people and say, yo, stick to streaming, Twitch, And they must say him not be himself and he must try to be somebody. Bro, express, like, try new things. If he want to do fashion, if he want a car business, it doesn't matter. You see me, yeah? So me feel like.
So would you say that you're a part of a larger movement? Like, do you think a cultural shift is happening now in the fashion industry?
It happen right in front of your eyes. The cultural shift happen right in. With music, you have dance, you have trap, you have some other local youth now where I sing like them, a rapper, we are Jamaicans. You see me, bro, everything has changed. Some people might not like that, the elder people them, but you know, as I said, the world has upgrade, we have to upgrade too. Yeah.
So what moment made you say that this style thing where I rock now, this is me? What made you think that, yes, this mega just go with this and it is contrary to what the Jamaican population thinks is acceptable?
Because, to tell the truth, I don't care what people like or what them not like. You see me? I don't care. Like starting off, mainly, who know me used to rock like jarts, like short pants. So that's some people that call it, but a jarts, you see me? And now, them never used to see me in a big pants. Now, big pants, you see me? So, switch up the thing and, yeah, bro, who like it, who not like it, just don't like it. Yeah, but as I say, you know, new wave of Jamaican fashion, you know, Plato.4dk, you see me? And yeah, me YouTube, can I say what? Alright, so with me YouTube, you see me, Plato.4dk too. I want to shout out some people, you know, big up Praxi4dk, you see me? Big up everybody who love me. Who not like me, just join the line, you see me, bro? It doesn't matter. I love Uno, you see me? Put it in a guidance and yeah, you know I drip star already, Plato. You see me, bro? Yeah, nobody can compete. I don't know what you think already.
What's good, guys? I'm legit. I'm part of the new wave of Jamaican fashion.
Jamaica, it's Cash Guy, and I'm a part of the new wave of Jamaica.